Label is an important part of a garment. A label is more than just a piece of fabric, which directly communicates with the customer. It's something like that drawing the full attention of the customer. A garment label contains various types of information of that garment, such as buyer name, country of origin, types of fabric, types of yarn, fabric composition, garment size, special instruction about care, etc. Types of label used in garments. Main label. Main label contains the brand name or brand logo of the buyer. The brand name is an important factor for any product, because the customers are targeted the brand during buying any product. A brand name is a mental satisfaction about the product from the customer's point of view. Care label. Care label is another important types of the label for the garments. It assists the customers to know how the product should care. It indicates different types of care instruction about the garments such as washing, bleaching, drying, laundering, and ironing. Size label. Size label indicates the size of the garments. Size labels are indicated as S, M, L, XL, whereas for small M for medium, L for large, and XL for extra large. Price label. The price label indicates the price of the garments. Composition label. Composition label indicates the fabrication and composition percentage of any garments. That means it indicates which fabrication and composition percentage that have followed during its manufacturing. Flag label. The flag label is a very small label that contains brand's name or brand's logo of the buyer. It is attached to the side seam of the bottom parts of the clothing.